A simple Python game programming tutorial. Let's create a game, catch the ball game using Python. First, import Pygame. Used for creating games and multimedia application. Second line, import random. Import random, used to generate random numbers. Next, import sys. Import sys, used for system-specific parameters and function. Next line, pygame.init open and close parentheses. This line initialize all the Pygame modules. Next, set up screen dimension. Dito ay caps lock width, height equals 600, width 400. Ayan po yung dimension ng game windows natin. Next, screen equals pygame.display.set underscore mode open parenthesis width height colon. Ito naman po yung game window natin with specified dimensions. Next, pygame.display .set underscore caption open parenthesis and close catch a ball. Dito naman po natin set yung title ng game. Ngayon naman magsa-set up tayo ng colors. White equals open parenthesis 255 255 255. Next, blue equals open parenthesis 0 0 25 255. Next, red equals 255 0 0. Next, set up the clock. Clock plus equals pygame.time.clock open and close parenthesis. This line create a clock object to manage the frame rate. Next, magsa-set up naman tayo ng game variable. Player underscore size equals 50. Size po ng player yan. Next, player underscore x equals width double slash 2 minus player underscore size double 2. This line position the player horizontally in the center of the screen. Next, player underscore speed equals 8. This line set the speed in which the player moves. Next, ball underscore size equals 20. This line is the size of ball. Next, ball underscore x equals random dot randint equals open and close 0 with minus ball underscore size. This line randomly position the ball horizontally at the top of the screen. Next, ball underscore y equals 0. This line set the initial vertical position of the ball at the top. Next, ball underscore speed equals 3. This line set the speed at which the ball falls. Next line, score equals 0. This line initializes the score to 0. Next, high underscore score equals 0. Next, game underscore over equals false. This line initializes the game state as not over. Next line, try colon with open and close high underscores score dot txt quit r as file. High underscore score equals int open and close file dot read. Except file not found error colon while true colon screen dot fill white. This line fills the screen with white color to clear it for the next frame. Next, make handle event. For event in pygame dot event dot get open and close colon. This line handles events such as quitting the game or clicking the try again button. Next line, if event dot type double equal pygame dot quit. For this line, check if the close button is clicked. Next line, with open and close high underscore score dot text quit w as file. File dot write open close str high underscore score. Next line, pygame dot quit open and close parenthesis. For this line, quit pygame. Next line, sys dot quit open and close parenthesis. For this line, exit the program. Next line, elif event dot type plus plus equals pygame dot mouse button down and game underscore over. For this line, check if the mouse button is clicked when the game is over. Next line, if try underscore again underscore rec collide point open and close event dot pause. This line check if the click was on try again button. Next, ball underscore x equals random dot randint open and close 0 with equals ball underscore size ball underscore y equals 0 score equals 0 game underscore over equals false. Next, if not game underscore over. Next, for the move the player keys equals pygame.key dot get underscore press open and close parenthesis. If keys pygame.k underscore left and player underscore x greater than 0. Greater than 0. If keys player underscore x minus equal player underscore speed if keys pygame k underscore right and player underscore x with minus player underscore size player underscore x plus equal player underscore speed For this line, moves the player left or right based on the key press. Next line is for move the ball. Ball underscore y plus equal ball underscore speed. This line, check if the ball has fallen below the screen. Next line, if ball underscore y greater than height, comma, colon pala. For this line, check if the ball has fallen below the screen. Next, game underscore over equals true. This line, set the game over state if the ball falls off the screen. Next is for check collision with the players. If player underscore x less than ball underscore x plus ball plus ball underscore size less than player underscore x plus player underscore size and player underscore y less than ball underscore y plus ball underscore size less than player underscore y plus player underscore size colon. Ball underscore x equals random dot randint open parenthesis 0 quit with minus ball underscore size close parenthesis. Ball underscore y equals 0. Score plus equals 1. 1. This line, check if the ball collides with the player and reset the ball's position and increment the score if a collision occurs. Next, if score greater than high underscore colon high underscore score equals score. Pygame.draw. Rect screen blue player underscore x player y player size quit player size Pygame.draw. Ellipse screen quit red quit ball underscore x quit ball underscore y ball underscore size ball underscore size. ball underscore size. This line for draw the balls as a red ellipse. Next, font next ay font equals spygame dot font open none with 36. This line display for the current score of the screen. Next, score dot underscore text equals font dot render open parenthesis score 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 quit true quit blue. Quit blue. This line 4 renders the score text. Next line, screen next line is screen dot blink open parenthesis text this line for draw the score text on the screen. Next, hide the underscore score text equals font render high score and high underscore score. True blue. Score screen dot blink high underscore score text the quit 1040. Next ay gagawin naman natin yung para mapadisplay yung try again button. Else font equals spygame dot font open none quit 36 close parenthesis. Next ay try again try underscore again underscore text equals font dot render open parenthesis quit try again quit blue true quit blue. Next, try again, try underscore again underscore rect equals try underscore again underscore text dot get underscore rect open parenthesis center equals open parenthesis with double dash slash 2 close parenthesis height double slash 2 close parenthesis. Next, screen dot blit open parenthesis try underscore again underscore text quit text try again underscore rect. Diyan po ay madi-display na natin yung try again button kapag po nag game over na. Next, py.game display flip diyan po ay update the full display surface to the screen and clock that tick 60 for ensured the game runs at 60 frames per second. Pygame.quit to ensure Pygame is properly quit when the game loop exit. Yun na po, and ayun na po yung game natin na nagawa. Catch the ball. Ganyan po sa laruin. Right key button tsaka po left key button para po gumalaw yung pansalo. Kapag po pinit nyo po yung try again, yan po uulit po siya. Makikita nyo po dyan yung score tsaka po high score. Ayan po. Yan po yung high score. 11 na po. Pag di nyo po nasalo, matataya. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.